Today we are going to take a look at this smart anti-bark collar for dogs. This is how the collar will look like. Everything here is adjustable, so you can of course wrap it around the neck of your dog. Over here this strap is fully adjustable as well. You can cut out this part if needed. Now over here is our smart part. So this part over here will actually touch your dog's neck, and these plates over here will vibrate. Now using the device is really simple. So on the sides we've got our on and off button, and over here we've got our modes. So let's turn on button. As you can see, it's working straight away. By pressing the M for modes, we can choose between different modes. So we got over here we've got a noise. So when the dog will bark, he will hear a noise. And over here we got a vibration mode, so we got either a single one or a dual vibration mode. And then by pressing the on and off button, we can change the sensitivity. So the higher sensitivity, the more decibels the dog needs to produce in order for the collar to start working. There's also a smart chip built in, so in case you got another dog barking across the street, it won't trigger this device at all. It's also lightweight and comfortable. It's curved on the side, so it will fit the dog neck perfectly, and it's pretty much one size that will fit all, so you can use it on small and larger dogs between 6 and 150 pounds. The battery is also great on it, as it will last for 15 days. You will get a cable or the charging cable with it that you can connect like so on the side, and then the other side is the standard USB-A. The charging time is only 2 hours. It's also fully waterproof, so whatever weather condition it will work with your dog, it will work perfectly fine. You can also test the collar by turning the sensitivity to 0, and then on the side over here you got a microphone, so if you blow to it, it should produce a noise. Let me just change that again to number 0. So this is how it will look like. So the mode you just seen is both a sound together with dual vibration. So all in all, the tool is really fantastic, especially it's safe and really effective.